Your home is not built at the construction site, it is built in here. Welcome to Chattels Design manufacturing facility. Overall 20,000 square feet of precision engineering running since 2021. We process over 100 boards every single day with a rework rate under 2%. That's not a goal, that's a standard. Quality doesn't begin at the machine, it begins before a single cut is made. Every sheet of ply, HDHMR and laminate that enters this factory is measured with a vernier caliper, checked for even the smallest thickness variation. Our BWP ply goes further. It is submerged in water for up to 96 hours. If it doesn't survive our test, it never enters your home. We only begin production once the material is proven. In modular interiors, the laminate bond is everything. At Chattels Design, we press the entire board under 40 tons of hydraulic pressure. The result? Zero bubbles, zero lifting edges, zero exposed surface. We use 3 types of adhesives: commercial, BWP and acrylic, matched precisely to where each panel will live in your home. Precision is measured in microns here. We use Altendorf, a world-class German panel saw with diamond-tipped stainless steel blades for zero chipping and edges so clean that you'll feel the difference. However, precision isn't just in the cut, it's in the tracking. The moment a panel is cut, it receives a unique barcode. From this point, every station, every check, every move, we know exactly where your panel is. This is where Chattels finish happens. Edge banding is what separates a factory-built modular interior from anything which is manually built on site. Every exposed edge sealed, rounded and protected. No raw edges, no peeling, no moisture entry. But we go further. For acrylic panels, our machine runs a pre-milling pass first. A precision diamond blade that trims any imperfection down to 0.1 millimeters before the tape even touches the board. 0.8 mm edge on structure, 2 mm edge on all visible surfaces. Pre-milled to 0.1 mm accuracy. State-of-the-art machine. This is what we are paying for. At a CNC boring station, the barcode is scanned and the machine auto-programs every hole, every groove, every joint. No manual measurements, no human error. This is where your furniture becomes a precision product. This is not something you will find on a work conducted at site. This is engineering built into every cabinet in your home. Our CNC router handles every custom carving, jali shutter and designer panel, programmed by a team, cut to the micron, and for the details that make people stop and stare. We use the Minifix system, a joinery technique from Europe that assembles an entire box without a single visible screw or L-clamp. Before anything leaves the factory, it is built right here. Every kitchen, every wardrobe, every unit. A team assembles the full piece on this floor, checks every shutter size, every drawer fit, every hinge before a single panel is packed. Only when 100% of the material passes, each piece is scanned, wrapped and dispatched. This is where your home is made. State-of-the-art machineries, proven materials, and everything checked twice. 3,000 homes, one standard, Welcome to Chattels Design.